Hey guys, so it's Tristan from Clothing and Shoes 101. If you have not watched me, oh, my dogs are in here in case you guys hear little pitter-pattering feet around. This is my Allison. And this is my Mir. I ordered a Lululemon mystery box. That's what it was advertised as on Poshmark. So I recently got onto Poshmark. If you don't know who I am, you haven't watched any of my YouTube videos before, I buy used clothing and I resell it on primarily eBay. Recently I've started like branching out a little tiny bit into Poshmark. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but I do often make my purchases on Poshmark if I buy something. So I found this Lululemon mystery box. It was advertised for $200 on Poshmark. I'll link everything down below with the seller and everything like that. Her Posh Closet, and she did allow me to accommodate for sizes, so her description was really vague and said that her clothes no longer fit her. 6 pieces for $150, 12 pieces for $200. And then I asked her in the comments how much of this box was going to be Lululemon, because she said that not everything, the whole box, would be Lululemon. And she told me at least 4 pieces would be Lululemon. She allowed me to pick my size, so I said 2 to 4 because personally I like me some Lululemon, so if I could sell it, that's awesome. If I can keep it, I'm happy with it. I'll take that too. So hopefully this stuff fits me. I would like it to fit me, but we'll see. I asked her if she would be comfortable with me filming a video after I got it. She said that's fine. I think that's it. Anything else I will link down below. I am going to put comps down below too, because I think that's an important thing to know. And at the end I will let you guys know what my opinions of this box are. I have not opened it yet. I just literally just before I started the video took my scissors to it and opened it up, but I have not even looked at the packages until right now, and it's yellow and that's my favorite color, so I'm already happy with the tissue paper, but at the end of the day, tissue paper does not matter. Okay, so right off the bat I am seeing something fantastic that I love, but it's not on the top, so I will wait to get to that. First thing I got is a Splendid size small shirt. This is so cute. So Splendid is an expensive brand. It does not have the best resale value ever, but this is right up my alley. Probably resell, I would resell this for like $25 to $30. It looks to be in excellent condition. It's really soft, but I will probably keep this piece. The next piece that I got is a Lululemon. Okay, so here's a Lululemon tank top. I'm not sure what styles these are. Normally I look them up on Lulu Fanatics. So it's just a little racer back tee. And where's the Lulu logo? Here it is. Lulu logo is right here. I am not expecting that I will find the size on this one because it does not have bra built into it, which is normally where Lululemon will put their sizes. So I'll have to do a little bit of digging. It looks a little bit bigger than a size 4, but with a tank top, I can kind of like accommodate and make it what I need it to be. Lululemon again. So the next thing I got are these Lululemon shorts that are so cute. Let's see what size these are. First off, size 4. I can wear these, and I don't know what style they are again, but Lululemon. The tank top, if I were to resell that, would probably go for like 20 bucks, nothing crazy. These I have to look up the style. I don't want to say because it really varies depending on the style. They do have the like inside lining too. This is the piece that I spotted right off the bat. So it's new with tags, Onzy tank top, twist back top. It's marked $43 and then discounted to $35. And it's just this white Onzy top, like this. I'm going to Hawaii next month. I might sell it because it's pretty enticing because it's new with tags. I'm not sure how much this would resell for since it's a $34 value. I could probably get $25 out of it, 20. But I also may want to wear that. The next thing is Nike. This one I'll probably resell for like 15, 20 bucks. Nike, size medium, and it's just a blue short sleeve shirt. This is cute for, I'm actually going to do a project where I distress t-shirts and bleach them, and that would be really cute for that. I've never sold this before. This is Calia. It's by Carrie Underwood, and I think they sell this at Modell's and Dick's and stuff like that. It's the clear tag right here. You might not be able to see what it looks like. They are a pair of nice leggings. Everything has been in really good condition so far in this box, so I do applaud her on that. What are you doing now? What are you doing? These ones are nice. I don't even know what to put for the comps on this. You trying to go up there? Come here. There you go. What do we have next? Lucy. Okay, so Lucy doesn't sell fantastic for me, but I've never sold a long sleeve top, and this was really soft, orange, very cute, open back. I'm thinking 25, 30 bucks. I'll at least try it for. All this stuff I will be selling on eBay. Not maybe Poshmark, I'll put it on, but they'll at least be on eBay too. I just have better luck with eBay. What are you? What are you? Okay, so I got a tank top. Am I missing something? It doesn't have a tag, so maybe Lululemon, but no, I don't want to spend too much time just like trying to figure out what brand this is, but I'm probably missing something very simple here. I'm sure I am. Okay, so no brand, gray tank top. If I figure it out, I'll put in the description what exactly this is. Under Armour sports bra. It's got like a little bit of thickness to it for the padding. And then in the back, it is sheer with the little Under Armour logo. No size on it, but it looks to be a small. Nike dry fit, white tank top. Probably keep this for my trip. Under Armour, size medium, white shirt, short sleeve, basic shirt. I like to work out in these. I'll probably keep this too. It looks like there's two more things in here. Lululemon sports bra. This one is colorful. I probably won't wear these colors. I don't know what style it is again, so I don't know how much it'll go for. It has no pads in the sports bras, but it's a size 6. And this will, I'll sell this one for sure. It's cute though. I just don't love the colors. Last but not least, a new with tags, Zaful Swim. This is like one of those fast fashion brands. There's some pulling on the inside of the chest area in here. Bathing suit. It's a size US 4. I'm not thrilled about this at all. This was not what I was expecting to be getting in the box. And it's Zaful. Yeah. I did get a card. I do want to see what the card says. Cute. Let me read it first. Thanks for purchasing. I hope you love everything. Okay, so overall, let's re-go over what I got. Zaful swim bathing suit with pulls on the inside here. New with tags though. Lululemon sports bra. So Zaful bathing suit, maybe $10. They don't sell for a lot. I just ordered myself some off there for not that much money. So yeah, maybe $10 I'll get from that. Lululemon sports bra, 25 bucks. So 35. If I was gonna resell this, maybe 15. So 35, 50. Maybe 15. $65. $10, $75. I have no idea what this even is, so I'm not even including it. $20, $25, $25, 25 bucks I'll go with, so 100. Nike shirt, 15 bucks, 115. This I was happy about. I liked this. The Onzy shirt. This, I don't know what to say for it. I'm gonna go with 25, 30 bucks. So 145, just because it is new with tags, we can go up to 145 with that. I also don't really know the comps on this, the Calia leggings, size small. Darn it, I forget what number we were at. Alright, well, add 25 to 30 from these, I'm assuming, hoping. And then Lulu tank top, this gray one, 20 bucks. And this, I really love this for me. I was assuming this would be like athletic pieces, but I love this for me, even though it's not exactly what I was assuming would be in the box. It's a Splendid, size small, so this would probably sell for like 25, 30 bucks. And then the Lululemon shorts are the best thing that I got. And these, I don't know, 50, 40. So really, if I were to sell everything in the box, I would barely make my money back. So if you want to order this box for yourself, she does accommodate for sizes, so that's awesome. If you want to buy it to resell, I would not recommend it. The description also, when I asked her like what kind of things that you'd be getting, her picture is of, it's not a stock photo, it's her actual picture of a bunch of Wonder Unders and a line legging. So I was assuming that I would be getting some of those things in this box. And I didn't get any Lululemon leggings, so I'm a little disappointed in that, but it's a mystery box, so at the end of the day, it's okay. I'm happy because I got some good pieces for myself, though. Would I have paid $200 for this box? Absolutely not. Definitely overpriced. Do not buy the 6-piece box. That's for $150. But anyways, I'm glad that I ordered it and that I got the pieces that I did get. This is my first mystery box, so it's a trial. We're just trying things out here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to go check out my eBay store, I will have it listed down below. Most of the stuff I probably will list just to get my money back. I may keep the shorts maybe, and I know I am going to keep the Splendid shirt. So other than that, most of the stuff will be listed. If you guys are interested in anything, go check them out in my eBay store. I will link that and my Poshmark closet down below. I think that's it. Bye guys. Have a good day.